Hello, my people. Una good evening. How una dey? Oh, so una dey fine. I just say me, I just quit doing this audio for una. Oh, so una dey hear me because the network not too good, eh? The network not too good at all. As I dey up, so the network dey shake. But I pray may it still go small. I greet everybody. Now do well. My brothers and sisters, and they come first because this door they make noise. Me, I close it. Una good evening again. Me I greet una again. Mona no vex. I just dey up, Maybe tomorrow afternoon we fit talk, But this one get now see yesterday after we I don talk about this wetin happen for this man with this setup of a thing. So as I see the video, they just dey do am for life. So now I just pick am. So I no fit come do am live to una. So now I come send am. I say I come record am, send am come. Say una still see wetin dey go on. Because I be try to share am for my page. You know go. Because the person wey video did this thing block am. And only if people wey be friend FCC. So now I come put am for there. So wetin I dey talk about, I dey hear some people dey say make the man not forgive. Some say may he forgive, some say may he go Ogbalegbe, may he go, may he go do Nusha, may he go do this one. For me, say everybody get your opinion because may the man forgive, may he forget everything. Because if he forgive, if he forget, God go still forgive him. You understand? God go still forgive him. No matter how, no matter anything. Say this life, nobody dey perfect. Nobody. That make me dey talk and say everybody get your opinion. You fit get your own mind. Say no, this thing you too do me, I go do you back. So if the man forgive that family, God go still forgive am. You understand? Because if the man say I no dey forgive, I wan go Ogbalegbe. Say sometimes you say you wan go Ogbalegbe. When no Dario walk Ogbalegbe, you go put yourself for problem. It dey happen now. You say, I waited this person do me. I must show you. I must do this one. Maybe you want to go Ogbalegbe now. Say Ogbalegbe if you go there. Not be waiting carry you can only that one and they go ask you. They will call the wall your total where. They will call the fine in and out or your life. You know understand now. Sometimes it's good. Maybe we just say all this thing I beg. May I forget. The thing pay. If they pay, nobody go fit talk and say no they pay. I think may forgive and forget. Now so now, so that God go still forgive her. This boy, what did they call you? Collins, you go be like person wey go dey wicked well. Sorry to say, you know wetin, you know why I talk nothing for this life where person go do you where you say you know if you forgive and forget. Because you still get your own. You still get your own blame. You understand? You go still get your own. So even though same the man say one go meet Ogbalegbe, one go do this one go do that one. We all see the video say he dey painful. He pay well. You understand? No be say no dey pay. But remember one thing. If person do you something, try to have that mind say I forgive you. Because you still get your own blame. You understand? Because if you not forgive person, another person no fit still forgive you now. They treat am bad, of course. We see everything say they treat am bad. We see am, but everything, something don't happen. It don't happen. Now wetin we go come talk say okay, and then still go say we forgive us. I believe say the man if una watch the video well because me na person wey dey watch well the man he not too much dey angry with the man with the husband, but the wife, you understand, the wife need may go beg that man well may beg am well because the man still dey angry well. If you watch the video the way we take dey talk am, you know say some people dey, if you tell am say forgive me wetin I do, you no be everybody dey forgive o. All the ye hoy na make me I no dey want me I get misunderstanding with anybody, because some people dey always forgive you when they know where you're right hoy. You understand? So all these things make the man just forget everything. It don't happen. I mean na me agbon or we no me o me hian se ba ni e be hian so ne o be do there. So the best thing make the man forgive and forget. Next time. Or why even though when they talk to person, they talk to a woman, the woman say, my brother, my husband enemy, he go just run. You just come out. You understand? And somebody they talk my own, you go just come out. Even though say the woman, but they tell you say, me with the man not there gay. And so no, just come out. Now my own opinion, let me they talk. Even though okay, may we say okay, the man, he go meet Ogbalengbe now, say see what happen. You know say Ogbalengbe go ask question. Wetin cause all this thing? How it take happen? They'll call the zanzan everything. They ask. No, because I know the one me. They'll call the zanzan everything. Maybe the man don't still get some problem for Ogbalengbe before, or maybe the family don't forget. They could come be another double problem again. You understand? Or maybe all those people where you gather, where they there, they still get problem. Nobody want may Ogbalengbe be friend though. I wanna a problem because Ogbalengbe I need the problem here. I think so now be that one. Nobody need Ogbalengbe with their problem at all. Because not be as we take the look and say you just carry and go, just go give Ogbalengbe say the gather beat you, they'll just join you say now you are right. Ogbalengbe no say they do and well say they beat town. No, they must talk put for that one, but they must ask wetin cause am, wetin una know as they say they do their thing. Una know the way when they say they do their thing. So next time, make this our brother may learn. You understand? May he learn as so na me see, so may he forget and forgive, so that God go see even forgive her. Because he don't even yet say the woman talk and say they put money for her that be I don't know. Now he go still go put for another. You know, see as you know understand what they talk. So all those things may the man just forget everything. Find your way, find your life. Now so me I see, because some people say may not forget may go meet Ogbalengbe. Now so we dey talk am for mat. Na tabunu na logo. O nya wo boma yezo me ni ya ta o iga nyo nerege ni egisi we bo we ade. Egba ba ni and the man even gets more problem with Ogbalengbe. Or the woman they even gets more thing. You never see sometimes you say you want go meet Ogbalengbe, say person do you something. Person where you carry go, they no be that one matter then they go. You wait, you go say you want go report, say person do you something. I will do where Jivani. Or don't you way. Go say don't tell where they look for you. It don't happen to one lady like that. He with one lady they fight. People tell and say this thing where this woman do you, so it did very bad because the other lady bite her for hand. If you see hand, they say me go meet Ogbalengbe. This one are too fight you. Go meet Ogbalengbe. This thing where it do you is too bad. When the woman reach there, when reach Carabinieri office, that Carabinieri say very good. You don't tell where we defend you. We not know, say we not see you. Thank God say you just use your leg take on. And I don't hear of it. Sometimes we just may we learn how to forgive, how to forget. It don't happen. Thank God say they not killer. That be that one, because you know say our people they too they get that reaction to the quit the knack person. That one not good. It good make we dey control ourselves. So as I just see and say this thing, the thing pain. Nobody go say no pain now. It pain. But if the man forgive, God go still forgive her. You know, so that you know say if you forgive person, God go still forgive you what you don't fair do. Okay, at you see, not be lie, eh? Not be lie. You know, police public case, no dey finish, oh. E no dey finish, especially Italy, oh. If you there for Italy, hell, abeg go. If you there for Italy, no just go there. Try to maintain yourself. Something wey you don do for 20 years ago, they will go war, let come out. When they come, they answer you question. You know, say their case not dey finish. Their case not dey finish, oh. Abeg, make we dey respect ourselves, make we maintain everything. Make the man just face in life. It don't happen, it don't happen. If you blame them, still blame yourself. You understand? Not to treat person bad. That one na true. You know, say like this thing now, I don't know as I'll take put am. The way wey dem take do am, no be say Ogbalegbe go see the video go dey happy, oh. No, they no go happy. But they must ask you, say, wetin cause am? Wetin, you know? Why this thing? No be say that you just go there and they start to dey beat you. Wetin cause am? Ado azolo. Eh? Na so this one, na so this one. Sometimes say the man wey maybe you wey go report, say you go say I for no even go safe. So that one na be that one, my brothers and sisters. You know, sometimes maybe they learn not to the beat person like say na even animal self, if you touch am, Ogbalegbe go hold you, say wetin make you go there. You understand? So my brothers and sisters, I just see the something yesterday and the thing now, say I see this video where I just dey talk now they don't go, they go they beg me. I just still put am for now. That make me put am like that, say okay, Mona still wash am. I pray may everything finish like that, you know. But this man supposed to know, say people must dey where go they push am, say may not finish, oh. May person wey still know, I pray may they even tell am, say if I don't do everything, don't dey okay. Even though say those video recording gbogbo, it no mean no matter. May you forget everything. If man they toast to woman, not the way they know they use their mouth till they talk. That one na normal thing. That one na normal thing. You understand? So not be that one. Maybe you go say I go come dey shame, I go come dey do this one. No. So may you forget. It don't happen. It don't happen. So if person tell you say no, that's why I go carry, because you know say some people they sabi do over sabi way big pass. That's why I go carry the matter, go give Ogbalegbe. You will not get matter, you want carry go meet Ogbalegbe. Person will get matter, go say may you forget. And thank God say you will not get matter. If you carry go Ogbalegbe no even mind you. They will say because not be you get the matter. So rest for the case. So this a part may forget. May you just forget everything. Maybe now if you go see her now, those people where even do they there, if they go look the background for home, you go see say one or two go be a brother or a sister for home, or a mama go know them. Because we on a Bini. Now the thing that they pay me pass because we know the thing before we they do something. And that make me I don't want quarrel with anybody. Because when you don't use that fight with somebody, you could even though someone can they play that play, no be like as before when I never curse each other. You know, be like the same because this man now, if you go see say maybe one or two of them, anybody where they there, they even know the family back home. But the thing don't go because you know. Even though some they drink together, that kind the thing no can't get us. It go get us be because say my dog have a young when I can't we see what you na do me that time. You understand? That make me the talk and say you go still blame yourself. You go take a 50-50. You go still blame yourself. Blame all those people when still do that thing. So my brothers and sisters, now that one me I see this our brother whether they call this. Try may you get out to the forgive person because as they see your comment it's not good because if you not forgive God not go still forgive you because you go get the day where you go still do person something go say not forgive you. You understand? So it good if person do you something you say now because of God he say me here your boss alobua that's what me I do my own I leave everything for God. So so it made the man forget. Maybe they call the carry and they go the other social media, carry and go the other side. That one is by MSN. You too funny, Of course, if you no use bet, you know sometimes, you know, if you no use hot hand, say, oh brother or sister, forget that one, my brother. It's very good to forgive. That one a normal thing. No need to go to the police for where, no need, no need. Unless say if you dey another country, Italy, why gbiyan gbagba me? If you na Italy, hell, unless say you no dey there, wey dem dey draw case sometimes I go dey lis ten to tell you dem say case of 30 years yíyan náà wẹ̀ gbé yàwó lẹ́mu ládìá ọmọ náà wú nẹ́sẹ̀ fi yíyan yàwó ẹgbẹ́ mú case ọ̀rẹ́ ládìá just forget, make this man just forget everything, put everything for God hand, say ọma you know na some say dey do my thing. If person do you something say pay you, but who be ame wey dey yabe o, because if person dey do something now, maybe you made mistake, this one made mistake, who will really yabe we, you understand, you must still take am ogbalegbe ogbalegbe yan gwale yan ekesi owa attend one near before you know they will now go court. You can't even ask yourself, say like say I know, if I know even carry go, I for just forget, you go come dey long go, forget that thing. Make you say you go first use hot hand take carry, no, forget that one, forget that thing. Na Nigeria we dey do that one, not be abroad. Forget that thing. No, say sometimes even that Nigeria sef forget, say they use you know say sometimes you go do person something, I talk and say this man wey dem do wetin dem do am, he pay me, no be say no pay me, he pay me as I see am, but you know say we get that pepper body which is very bad. Before person go just talk, you know whether the person dey sick, you just give am gbo. If the person come fall for ground, e die for your neck, you don enter one chance. We suppose to dey control ourselves for that one. That one na normal thing, we suppose to dey control, because not be everybody wey dey waka na egbe wara wey dey on. No, some people dey wey just dey waka dey go, single blood e no get for body, maybe e get BP wey e high, go dey waka, you dey think say na person normal like you, as you just give am slap, e go just faint for ground or rotor, you go come enter one chance. That one na normal thing, but we black, we suppose to dey control. So we black, we supposed to dey control ourselves. So make the man just forget and forgive. You understand? Especially because as I take watch that video, that is the thing pain am well wetin the woman do am. E pain am well, no be say no pain am. E pain am well. The woman need to beg, no be as if say dey beg that video wey dey do one kind, dey cover im head, dey do that one. No, maybe go still beg after that video don comot for there. Because the man need to just forgive her and forget. So may not go meet Ogbalegbe. May they go draw you, say may you go meet Ogbalegbe, not go meet Ogbalegbe. May you forget everything, come out from mind, say okay, you know, may God still forgive you, because you go still get something where you don't still do for another person. Maybe you don't still offend people. So may you still forget, may you forgive, may God still forgive you. That be my own, I no can't tell you, say, may you go meet Ogbalegbe now, go dey draw up and down. No. Because Ogbalegbe, wetin don enter Ogbalegbe hand. Now, so you go there 3 years, they go still dey call you, say, now that case where you can't report, now they still dey there. Now, understand? So nobody go even dey happy, say, then go, and all of them are the same pescara, then they for there. You know, go dey happy, say, okay, then go arrest that, you know, they even get family. They go arrest her, e dey for prison. You know, go dey happy. We all na one. We on our one. As I tell talk, we need to control ourselves. You understand? Before you go say you want beat person, that thing I no good way we dey do. So my brothers and sisters, I just still drop this one, because if you be that person where get that man, say no forgive, go Ogbalegbe. My brother, if you the day where you go Ogbalegbe, you come dey ask yourself, like say I know if I know if you come here, because wolo wey dem dey wolo you, this something go take 10 years, you go dey go, e go be like say you even dey talk say you want withdraw, you go and withdraw, because e don reach judge hand. How do I arrive ani? You understand? Okay, you read lawyer for school. I know. Even me, I not read down, but me, I know the law wey hold me for ground. You understand? But not be everything person go carry go. You understand? Not be everything go. But even sometimes, you go meet lawyer, say you want so something happen. Your lawyer even dey tell you say, may we just do am amicably. You understand? Go say, may we just do am patch, you know. You go even dey advise you because they know the law. If you don't enter, you no gree comot. You understand? I know say everybody law dey, not be say law not dey. But sometimes you say, okay, I wan do this thing. Okay, I no want. Me, I just forgive. Me, I forget. Everybody not be the same. People dey wey get mind go say, I go draw you. Now so some go still dey go say, maybe hear your boss alone, but I don't forgive you. So everybody not be the same. So as for me, make the man just forgive and forget. Like if na friend, so this our brother wey dem dey call Collins, he go say make he go draw and go say make he go meet Ogbalegbe. Because the way we take dey write your comment, the thing dey make me dey say go draw and so no, come on, go meet Ogbalegbe. All these people must pay for it. If they can't go prison, which gain you can't get? I know say the beating not good, but gain not there. Gain not there. You know say some people there, if you not talk to them, they know they understand though. They think say na the right thing and then they do that moment when they beat that man. They think say na the right thing and they just they do, which is very bad because they not still do unto you. People gather they beat you. But may we try to forgive and forget. Now so I reach my brothers and sisters. Maybe tomorrow we feel just still talk just like that. We just stay chat like that, you know. So good night, everybody. Remain blessed. If you know the pa, who know I may tell and say may forgive. Or your boy we hoy. May forgive. So may just forget everything. Even though say go to your Ogbalegbe place, so the beat where they beat and not come back again. They don't do. Now just say okay, I want to go report. See what they do me. Maybe they even read themselves, they can't talk everything. They'll say, okay, wait till happen now. Okay, may you tell and say, forgive me. You know, sometimes they like that now when you go Ogbalegbe place. They'll say, may we do a amicable. Okay, you will tell and say, forgive you, I forgive you. Then I'll go ask. Or they'll say, you will carry and go court. If you say, okay, I want carry and go court, tell any what do I say here me court? Or do I thank here with Oh, now good night, my brothers and sisters. I greet everybody. Bye bye. So if person do now something more they try to say I forgive. I understand. Say the thing they pay. You know, say everybody not be the same. So if you not forgive me, say I offend you, because you still offend person. You know, say you know they perfect. Another that person enough. You know, still get person will go forgive you now. Where I forgive Oma. And all those things before person talk to you, you don't give and slap. It's very bad. It's not good. It dey against the law. Because even though say you don't write, but you will fair raise your hand, you don't enter one chance. You know, say some of our people, they just dey the country, they don't even know the kind of the law where hold them for ground. But it no matter. You know, say as we na black now, we dey try to maintain ourselves. They say we be one. Now make them they even they see all this meeting. They'll say it's also so enemy of Ravenna meeting, so this or this of meeting. They'll go they report themselves for there, and the head that they'll constantly talk put. They'll constantly talk put. You know, you understand that here. So now this thing ain't good. Instead of person go do you something, you just run go meet Ogbalegbe. You still get some meeting for there. You go call the person, say, see what happen. They'll still talk put for the meeting. Now I make now I make them they do all these things. You understand, my brothers and sisters. So and I do I make bama ye cutty, do I see like bama because say waiting. I beg. My brothers and sisters, okay, Mona go sleep. They don't dark and then morning. Na good night, na bye bye. So it be like say waiting they call who be that one. Who know a part for them? Mona tell her me no verse because that's the way do the video. Maybe I for tell her may give me the PAN number because I know her for Facebook. But no need. I believe say go forgive you. May still forget. Okay, that means you know the EPA. I will call EPA tomorrow. If una know mona tell am may no your boy we hoy. May forget. May forget. Nimi ya phone we hoy. Who say no EPA now Sayomori? Sayomori, you know EPA. I don't even know who say you know herself. If you know may forget, may forgive. May not come social media again, may throw away everything. You understand? Now only 3 days you go make brum for social media, everything go come out. My brothers and sisters, the woman dey as I take talk, as I take see the video, the woman dey rude. That is, I don't like as I take see am for that video. And I even believe say this man no like the way the woman take do. We come dey put something for head. You know what make dem see am. No be if dem dey look for am, dem go still see am. Who know your husband go don't know your wife, abi? Na so me dey talk my own. Who know the, because as we see the video, who know them for Pescara for there, don't still know them. Don't still know the wife. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, Mona remain blessed, Mona sleep well. I agree to now. Okay, you want to see the woman? You want to see the woman face for social media? They'll don't put her. You understand? Call it they'll don't put her because the woman face no show. I not like the way the woman take do for that video, which is very bad. You understand? Because even the EPA, the verse where you understand? The verse where the woman need to, because they do like say, I don't know as I take talk anyway. Anyway, may God forgive them. That's all. May God forgive them. May the EPA forget. Because you know why I say may the EPA forget now? Because of the beating. May forget. May forget. Because our people, they're supposed to they know something. If they do something, now a man like you, now you still they do. If it still happen to you tomorrow, our people, they know they think about that one. Before then they raise their hand up. You still be a man. Something if it still happen to you like that, another man will still raise their hand upon you. And then they do and they know they think twice. Yeah, well, when they nothing they happen. But later you go they beg. Well, good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Watch out. Bye bye. Do well. So you will want call a pabbe, call her, tell her say me forgive and forget. We know way. No say social media, so may just forget. If they tell her say me go me talk balegbe, tell her say go, may no go, may forget. You know, we all now one. Now the woman, now the way they take go they beat her, na no good. Now good night.